Hello guys, this is Pinay Pai sa American Vlog. Ngayon guys, mag-vlog ako, mag-video ako, papunta ako ng bibili ng, guess what? Ng eyeglasses para sa whitey natin. Para maprotektahan yung mata ko guys, kasi nakapunta na ako sa eye exam guys, sabi ng optometric guys, optometry or something like that. Ano guys, maganda na yung mata ko, hindi kailangan ng prescription. So para daw na hindi masira yung mata ko, since I'm working computer all day at saka sa pag-whitey din, kailangan ako bibili ng non-prescriptions eyeglasses na tinatawag nilang blue light blocking screen protection sa mata. So ngayon pupunta tayo ng store. Ang lamig-lamig. Buti na lang walang snow ngayon guys. So papunta tayo ng store, and then you guys, and yung asawa ko hindi marunong mag-ano. Wala akong trabaho kasi nagbakasyon pa rin ako. I got a few more days to have a vacation. So ngayon guys, yung asawa ko mag-drive kasi ay palakarin ko yan guys para mag-exercise naman yan guys. So papunta tayo ng dito sa Walmart. Sinasabi nila na store na Walmart. Tinawagan ko na guys kanina, mayroong mahal guys, pero kailangan tayo ng cheap guys kasi walang pera si Pinay Pai, walang sahod. Ang lamig-lamig. Okay guys, okay?
If you try.
Okay guys, nandito na tayo guys sa site. So ako lang ang lalabas kasi yung asawa ko maghintay lang sa sasakyan kasi ayaw niya maglakad kasi ang laki-laki ng puwet. Kaya I need to wear my mask first. Can you hold this one? Wear mask kasi hindi tayo makapasok kapag walang mask. So ito na guys, kukuha na tayo ng you're gonna get some razor only, right?
If you playing lottery, yeah, I guess. You get enough, you get 2 pops on the way home.
Yes, dito na ako. Bibili na tayo ng eyeglass. Hi. Hindi masyadong maraming tao kasi marami masyadong tao kasi naghintay pa tayo guys dito ng Vision Center tayo guys. Tinawagan ko na kanina. So bibili tayo ng blue light glasses. Ang tagal. Kadugan. Ito yung store. Yung store dito sa Walmart. So, mayroon silang optical vision center dito. So, tingnan natin kapag makakuha tayo ng blue light sunscreen. Makakuha tayo ng blue light sunscreen na glasses. Yeah, I called this morning. I just need the blue light IV sunglasses for the computer. Yeah.
Okay, and you just want plain old, no prescription.
No prescription.
I don't have very many here.
Anything that is available is fine. Can I have this white one? Can I pay here because I will try to pay with HSA?
Pay here.
Yeah. Doon na puti na yung ano ko guys.
$16.88 plus tax.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Thank you. 16.8. Okay. It's not bad. Bilis. Hopefully, yun. Kapag hindi gagamit, babayaran natin ng cash. Hopefully, it will accept. Is he accepted? Accepted?
Yes. it
Okay,
did.
thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Have a great day.
You too, bye-bye. Okay, I got it na guys. Mayroon na tayong we already have a bato. Mayroon na tayong eyeglass. Here you go. Puti siya guys. We see if it will work out sa ating computer. So ngayon we're gonna go and so guys, nandito na puti yung napili ko. I choose white eyeglass. Tingnan ko ito. Ito na guys, pang protection para pang whitey. Whitey pa more guys. Ito na yung napili ko. Isusukat ko ito mamaya in the car, okay? Whitey pa more guys. Ngayon kukuha ko ng razor ng asawa ko. Asawa ko guys. Gusto ko ng razor. Razor ng asawa ko. Ito yung gusto niya, yung big sensitive. So, babayaran muna natin ito at saka mabalik tayo sa sasakyan. Bilis kasi bibili kami ng notary. Nice shoes down there. $3 lang with shoes. How much is these shoes? Guys, $3 na lang guys. It's $3. That's nice shoes. That's a nice shoes down here. Yellow, guys. That's a nice one down there. It's a clearance sale. It's only $3. Only $3. Ayoko na guys. Ang dami ko ng mga shoes guys. Ngayon guys, magbayad muna tayo. We're gonna pay this. We have to pay. To pay this.
Insert cash or select payment type. Use PIN pad to complete transaction.
Okay, this
Insert
one.
cash or select payment type. Insert cash or pay another way.
Hindi siya mabayaran sa card ko. Pero ulo tong card na yon. So, cash na lang.
Please take your change. Cash is dispensed below the scanner. Please take. Thank you for shopping at Walmart.
There you go. Humana. Now we're gonna go inside the car and we're gonna try to fit our eyeglass na binili, okay? Hindi ko alam kapag marinig ba ako sa inyo. You see, sana yung asawa ko, nandyan yung asawa ko. I-try natin sa sasakyan kapag komportable ba or hindi. So, susubukan natin yung binili natin. Hopefully, it gonna work. But it's a pay for it. But I'll try to pay your razor. Can you do that one too? Don't cancel. I have to.
What about the razors?
I try to pay with the HSA, the razor. You won't pay, so I pay cash.
The razor coming on about $2.
$5.
$5.
I 6 all in all. Look. Let's see.
You ain't gotta take them out.
No, I want to try.
What's the pad for?
There's the cover. There's the wallet. I mean the
Carrying case.
carrying case. Okay. Check. Yeah, it's very good, Jay.
Ain't very good. You ain't looking at the computer.
Yeah, it's so clear. Because when I bought
blue.
some
It's blue on the outside. Like.
yeah, if I bought, like, I tried to go and buy another at the outside one store, it's not. It hurt my eye because this is no prescription.
Yeah, it's got a blue and purple color.
So ito na guys, mayroon na akong pang sa computer. So hindi siya masakit guys. It's very comfortable in the eye. And then it's a blue light protection guys. So and then mayroon siyang wallet para palagyan ng ng pagkatapos ko na gagamitin. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh Lord. Whitey pa more guys. Okay guys. Ito na yun guys. This is Pinaypay sa American vlog. And then I see you to my next vlog. And I see you to my live stream. So before I will end my vlog guys. Mega love shout out sa mga supporters ko, sa mga palaging nagsuporta sa LS ko, sa mga members, Maria Sato, Miho Miho, Ray Canta, Ayensian TV, Sally May Bunyo vlog, Sheila vlog, Nicole vlog, Tagabayo sa US, Genius, Rowena Quiet, Anya Bulanon, Maribel Pagaran, sino pa? Be My Lady, Bulbul Kulot, si Juros, sino pa? Night of Hans, UK, Mars Malo, John Collins, sino pa yung mga members ko? Ang dami ko pang mga members, nakalimutan ko na, sana hindi ko makalimutan. Si Savannah Marsan, Mercedes TV, si Simple Philam Kids, and then palaging nasa ano ko sa LS ko, Yara Ulico, Potito Babies, Simply Girl, sino pa yung palaging nasa LS ko, at saka members ko rin, Susana Tokyo TV, Rosa Wagner, Kabakit, Jewel Tuko, Dina Magpantay Vlogs, sino pa yung ano nandyan, ang yung mga members ko nagsuporta sa akin,
Applebee's,
si Notch Gaming, Infinity TV ko, promoters ko, Toys TV, Kilay is Life 29, Adel Versatile, Proud Pobre, Miss Rice, Villalina Ason, Bisayang Chinito, Rodil Hanaban, si One-Link TV, Lalunda Canada, Ivy Lalunda Canada, kung sino pa yung iba guys, yung nakalimutan ko kayo guys, si Kabalsa Music, Dina A, Angel Place, Maluti Garden, Cafe Tambayan Vlogs, Asukarap TV, Chinoy's Lab, sino pa yung nakalimutan ko guys? Sorry lang guys kasi wala akong listahan dito guys, kasi nandito ako sa store. Hindi ko kasi alam na magbablog ako ngayon. Sayang naman guys, wala akong upload na. So ito na guys, ito na yung nabili ni Pinaypay para sa blue light protection na eyeglasses guys, para sa whitening nyo guys, kasi I examined already my eyes. The optometrist said that my eyes are perfect, so I just need a blue light screen blocking eyeglass para sa YouTube ko or sa when I'm working. So maganda ito guys, is a blue light protection lenses, protect against digital dust rain. And then mayroon din siyang carry na bag. So once again guys, this is Pinaypay sa American vlog. Thank you for supporting and trusting my channel, and I hope si Maribel Baclaw and Maritis Baclaw guys, huwag niyo kalimutan si Eric, si hashtag Pinoy TV guys. Oh my god, huwag natin yung kalimutan si Mami Titay, si Jean Kusina, Ate Jean Kusina, kusina ni Ate Jean, yung mga members, si Ramon Tabo-Tabo guys, and then yun na ba yung mga members ko guys. Sorry guys kapag nakalimutan ko kayo guys, that's all I remember guys. And then once again, this is Pinaypay sa American vlog. I see you to my next I see you to my next videos, and I hope you have a good day and keep safe, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.